Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding mix caramel, easy method. Start by combining 1 cup sugar and 1/4 cup water in a saucepan, heat on medium, and swirl gently without stirring. When the mixture turns a light amber, remove from heat and whisk in 1/2 cup warm cream slowly. Then stir in 1 tablespoon butter and 1 packet vanilla pudding mix to thicken smoothly. For a smooth result, always swirl instead of stirring during the sugar melt, and keep an eye on color changes. If you want precision, aim for about 350 degrees F, but visual cues work well too. Once amber, remove from heat before adding cream to avoid splattering, then whisk until homogeneous and silky. Stir in the pudding, mix off heat to prevent clumping and to achieve a creamy, scoopable caramel texture for desserts. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking guides and tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which is handy for setting timers and playing music while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like. Thanks for your support. Now let's get back to the video. A tiny pinch of sea salt brings out deeper caramel notes and balances sweetness beautifully. Warm sauce is perfect drizzled over ice cream, pancakes, or waffles, while chilling yields a spreadable caramel for toast or cookies. Reheat gently in short bursts if needed. Keep the caramel in an airtight jar in the refrigerator for up to 10 days, and stir before using to restore a smooth consistency that is perfect for many desserts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.